everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's wig review I purchased with my own money. But this is Outre, this is Neesha. This is the style 201 in the color DRFF Honey Brown. This wig I believe is probably sold out right now. But continue watching this review and see if there's something that you still want to add to your list. Alright.
Dirty South. Can y'all really feel me? Y'all really feel me? Dirty South. Dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got bigger. Dirty South. Can y'all really feel me? I really feel me. Dirty South. Can y'all really feel me? I got bigger.
Seeing if this wig has a bit of stretch to it. It does have a little give. So this is me stretching it out. I don't want to rip my lace. But yeah, just giving it a little tug, and that's with it being on these last hoops. So let's see if we undo them all together, what type of give it'll give then.
I promise you, 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 I promise you.
So without the straps even being on there, it does offer a little bit more room. So keep that in mind. Alright. So I'm gonna cut this lace off and we'll get back into it. Alright, this is the colors of what it looks like. It's very, very nice with this face framing. So pull it back. This is what we have. Let's get up close. If you can see that. The hairline isn't full. It looks very natural as far as a wig goes at this price point. So this is a parting space. I did not go in add any type of powder or anything. This wig feels super soft. Like it's crazy how soft this feels. The colors, it's growing on me because it was a little too bright in my opinion, or maybe it's just because I'm used to wearing colors that aren't like this, but this looks nice. It feels nice. It's very snug on my head. It feels good. So my ear tabs are right here. And if I feel right, these are the type of ear tabs that you're able to like bend. They're not like the metal ones I guess you see, they're like from back in the day. But they do have a you can bend these to your sideburns or the side of your head. So that's a plus. I like that. So when the wind blows, well, wind blows, you probably still get clogged, but a little got to be there if you wanted to. But yeah, this feels good. And let me brush through this just to see. No real tangles, no real yeah. Yeah, this wig feels nice. I do want to change the color of my shirt because I feel like it's throwing off the look. So yeah, this unit, gorgeous. The feel, well, the texture of it, everything, it's great. Like, I have 0 complaints about it. So these are the other colors that it comes on, because I know sometimes online you go to hover over a color and it doesn't exist, and you're sitting there wondering, okay, what's the color before I spend my coins on it. Yeah, so these are the colors on the back. So hopefully that came up clear, but if not, from left to right, I'll just quickly read through the colors. Cinnamon spice, sienna copper, honey brown, which is this one, black cherry, and then butterscotch. So those are the colors that this unit comes in. And yeah, this looks really nice. I definitely believe that this is beginner friendly, and for the price point, I want to say it was around $31. Don't quote me on that, but I'll leave links below where you can find this wig. But for this price point, what you're getting, if you're into this type of texture, grab it when it comes out. Hopefully they don't switch up anything, and it's the same type of quality as this one, as when they first released it. I purchased this with my own money, which is what I said at the very beginning, so there's nothing special about mine. So yeah, I can definitely get with this. And once again, this is Neesha, the 201, because there's 2 other ones that came out on this line. So yeah, I would love to have this one in a different color. So yes, thank you all for watching yet another video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and turn on your post notifications, because as I find new ones that come out, I love to share with any and everyone, because I only have one head. I can't wear all the wigs. So yes, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions below, if I forgot anything with this wig, or see any different hair reviews, please let me know. Alright, thank you all for watching. Bye.